Imagine this. Every single black hole in the universe merging into one. What happens next? A cosmic monster that could eat galaxies, bend time, and maybe destroy the universe as we know it. In this video, we'll explore what would actually happen if all black holes combined. From physics to fantasy, backed by real science. We'll dive into the heart of these cosmic beasts, understand their bizarre effects on space and time, and confront the ultimate question: could we survive the birth of a universal black hole? Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Alright, let's start with the basics. What exactly is a black hole? Picture this, a region of space where gravity is so strong, so ridiculously intense, that nothing, not even light, can escape its clutches. It's like the ultimate cosmic vacuum cleaner, sucking up everything in its path. Now, these gravitational behemoths are born from the death throes of massive stars. Imagine a star, much bigger than our sun, running out of fuel and collapsing under its own weight. Boom! It implodes, creating a point of infinite density called a singularity. And surrounding this singularity is the event horizon, the point of no return. Cross it and you're gone, buddy, lost forever in the abyss. But here's the thing about black holes, they're not just sitting still, they're constantly on the move, roaming the cosmos, and get this, they can grow. The more matter they devour, the bigger they get. It's like a cosmic feast with a black hole as the ultimate glutton. And did I mention there are different types of black holes? We've got stellar black holes, just a few times the mass of our sun. Then there are the supermassive ones, millions, even billions of times heavier, lurking at the centers of galaxies. And somewhere in between, we have the intermediate mass black holes. The universe loves variety, even when it comes to cosmic monsters. So we've got these gravitational beasts, millions, billions of them scattered throughout the universe, each one a ticking time bomb of cosmic destruction. But what happens when they collide? What happens when these cosmic monsters decide to have a feast on each other? That's where things get really interesting, my friends. Because when black holes merge, they don't just disappear. They create something even more powerful, even more terrifying. And that's what we're going to explore in the next chapter. Stay curious. So we've established that black holes are out there, lurking in the darkness of space. But how many are we talking about? Like, are they a rare breed or are they as common as cosmic pigeons? Well, hold on to your hats, folks, because the numbers are mind-boggling. Astronomers estimate that our very own Milky Way galaxy, just one galaxy out of trillions, could be home to over 100 million black holes. That's right, 100 million. And remember, these are just the ones we can detect. There could be countless others hiding out there, invisible to our telescopes. Now, zoom out to the entire observable universe. We're talking billions, maybe even trillions of galaxies, each potentially harboring millions or billions of these gravitational beasts. It's enough to make your head spin faster than a neutron star. So, let's say, hypothetically speaking of course, that we could somehow round up all these black holes, gather them all in one place. What do you think would happen? Would it be a cosmic party, or the ultimate end-of-the-universe bash? Well, my friends, get ready for the ultimate cosmic showdown, because when black holes collide, the universe shakes in its boots. And when all black holes collide, we're talking about a cataclysm of epic proportions. Buckle up, space cadets, because things are about to get really wild. Chapter 3. When black holes collide, a cosmic dance of destruction. Now, we're not just throwing out crazy hypotheticals here. Black holes merging? It's not science fiction, folks, it's a cosmic reality. In fact, we've actually observed it happening, thanks to the magic of gravitational waves. Imagine two black holes locked in a gravitational dance, spiraling closer and closer, their immense gravity warping the very fabric of space-time. As they draw nearer, they whip up a cosmic storm, releasing more energy in a fraction of a second than all the stars in the observable universe combined. Talk about a light show. And then, boom, they collide, merging into a single, even more massive black hole. It's the ultimate cosmic power couple, born from a cataclysmic union. But here's where our thought experiment takes a turn for the truly mind-bending. What if, instead of just two black holes, we're talking about all of them? Every single one in the universe, drawn together by some unseen force, converging on a single point. We're talking about a cosmic singularity of unimaginable mass, a black hole to end all black holes. Its gravity would be so powerful, so utterly inescapable, that it would warp the very fabric of reality, consuming everything in its path. Galaxies, stars, planets, even light itself, nothing would be safe from its insatiable appetite. The universe as we know it would cease to exist, devoured by this ultimate gravitational monster. It's a chilling thought, isn't it? But the implications of a universal black hole go far beyond simple destruction. It could rewrite the rules of physics as we know them, bending time and space to its will. So, hold on tight as we delve deeper into the bizarre and terrifying world of a universe ruled by a single, all-powerful black hole. Chapter 4. Time, Space, and Spaghettification. The Universe on a Bender. Let's talk about time, shall we? You know, that thing we take for granted here on Earth. Well, near a black hole, time plays by a different set of rules. It slows down drastically. It's like the universe's own pause button, but instead of a remote, you've got unimaginable gravity. And then there's space. Now we're used to thinking of space as this empty void, but near a black hole, space gets distorted, warped, like a funhouse mirror on a cosmic scale. Imagine trying to walk a straight line when the very ground beneath your feet is constantly shifting and twisting. That's what it's like near a black hole. But let's not forget about everyone's favorite cosmic party trick, spaghettification. Sounds delicious, right? Well, not so much. Imagine being stretched out like spaghetti, thinner and thinner, until you're nothing but a stream of subatomic particles. Not exactly a pleasant way to go, right? Now, imagine these effects, but amplified to an unimaginable degree. That's what we're dealing with if all black holes merged into one. Time would grind to a halt. Space would become so distorted that it would lose all meaning. And matter? Well, let's just say it would get very, very messy. The universe as we know it, with its familiar laws of physics and its predictable nature, would cease to exist. In its place would be a realm of pure chaos, ruled by the iron fist of gravity. But some scientists believe that this cosmic apocalypse might not be the end. It could be the beginning of something new, something even more mind-boggling than we can imagine. Could this mega black hole, this ultimate devourer of everything, actually be the seed for a new universe? Could it be the catalyst for a new Big Bang, a cosmic reset button? It's a mind-bending possibility, one that takes us to the very edge of our understanding of the universe and beyond. Chapter 5. Game Over or New Beginnings, The Fate of Humanity. So here's the million-dollar question, the one we've all been waiting for. Could we survive? Could humanity, that plucky little species from a backwater planet, find a way to outsmart the ultimate cosmic apocalypse? Well, it depends. If this mega black hole, this all-consuming monster, decided to set up shop in a distant corner of the universe, we might just be safe. After all, it's not like it's going to be going door to door devouring planets. It's more of a sit-and-wait kind of predator letting its gravity do the work. But let's say, hypothetically speaking of course, that this mega black hole decided to make a beeline for our little corner of the cosmos. Well, in that case, it's game over, folks. Earth would be pulled in, crushed, and devoured, along with the rest of the solar system. Not exactly a happy ending, right? Now I know what you're thinking. Couldn't we just hop in a spaceship and escape? Well, not so fast. Remember that whole time dilation thing? Yeah, time slows down near a black hole, so even if we could travel at the speed of light, it would take an eternity to escape the pull of this mega black hole. So, unless we figure out a way to break the laws of physics, or maybe find a way to befriend the black hole, our chances of survival are looking pretty slim. But hey, maybe that's just the kick in the pants humanity needs. Maybe this cosmic threat, this ultimate existential crisis, will be the thing that finally unites us, that pushes us to reach for the stars, to become an intergalactic species. Maybe, just maybe, the end of the universe as we know it will be the beginning of something even greater, something even more incredible. Or maybe we'll all just end up as cosmic spaghetti. Only time will tell. The universe, a never-ending story. So what happens if all black holes merge into one? We get the most powerful force the universe has ever seen, something we can't escape or fully understand. What do you think would happen? Could it destroy everything or start something new? Would we become cosmic spaghetti or masters of the universe? Comment below and share this video with someone who loves space. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more mind-bending videos every week.